come on over.
Sure. Uh-oh. Eric's getting his little rice cereal.
You can tap to focus or exposure.
Oh. Eric, what does your bib say? Oh, that's what it says. Cool. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You got some rice on your face. So sweet. Daddy having fun?
Big bite.
Oh, big bite, big bite. Oh.
I love doing this.
Yay.
Yeah. Yummy. Let's try some vegetables.
Yeah, we gotta buy some today.
Cereal.
Hi, honey. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You're a good little eater. Ooh, yum, yum, yum.
Yes. Yay.
Yay!
Can't bite the spoon.
Spoon is fun. We love that spoon.
Mm.
He's a fast little eater. He's like, is it time for milk yet?
May have given you slightly more than 2 tablespoons.
All right. Very good. Eric, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What are you looking at? Oh, he's looking at the spoon. He loves the spoon.